up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and this is my second time in Walmart tonight. I'm at a whole nother Walmart. We're gonna see if they got anything in here that I like. Everybody else went home. They was like, they tired of waiting in the car. My son was like, you so indecisive. So coming shopping by myself. I think this little plant is so freaking cute. Look at it. This is so cute. It's $14.97. They got all these little fake plants. I don't care for those. Those don't look like $14, but that look like a $20 plant. That's cute. They got a little aloe, or is that cactus? Probably cactus. Peach Patch. Walmart closed in like 30 minutes. It's really late. It's 10:30 at night, and I'm out shopping by myself. But I'm just trying to do this now so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow. So much fun. This little ATV looking thing. For kids, it's $398. I've been shopping a lot. Like, I've been in a lot of stores, even with my window shopping videos. And they're putting out a lot of toys. I'm like, why are all these toys out like it's Christmas or something? Comment down below, have you been seeing an influx of toys everywhere you go? All right, Peach Patch, here are some mirrors in this Walmart. They got this black trimming with the brown. And this mirror is a 27 by 70 inch, and it is $60. I think this is cute. This is $34. They got two. I might buy both of these to go somewhere in the house. I don't know where I would put them. I could hear Daddy like, where you gonna even put these at? I don't know. It's the last two. I like the little silver trimming. They can kind of go on the side of my TV. Gotta pee. My pee always sneaking up on me, but I'm gonna take these two mirrors and put them in my buggy, and we're gonna take them with us to the restroom. Patch, I'm all done. I really have to work on my confidence. I keep saying I can't decorate. I don't know how to decorate. And my oldest son, he was like, Mom, you gotta stop saying that. You keep saying that, that's why you can't do it. And it's like, I'm sitting here walking around the store now, thinking about it, and I feel very intimidated by the idea of me trying to decorate, especially at the last minute, just to impress my mom. But it's like, Peaches, you can do this. Let's be confident. I feel like everything's gonna come together right now. Just be confident. Speak positive. You can decorate. You can do it. You decorated Gorgeous room. You done decorated the kids' room a bunch of times. You got this, girl. Stop coming from a place of insecurity and lack. So yes, I am walking around Walmart right now, talking to myself. We're gonna head back over here to where the wall decor is. I'm hoping I can find something to put in the bathroom. But my son, he was like, Mom, at the end of the day, if you can't find anything to decorate the house with, you shouldn't worry about it. The house clean, all of our bills are paid, and we got food. Like, the important stuff is taken care of. I'm like, my son 13, and he just be teaching me so much and encouraging me so much, and that's why I love him. Like, I love him because he's my son, but I just love that God gifted me with a child that can build me up, and I pray that I'm doing the same for him. Patch, I did work on Gorgeous little play area, like her tent. Me and Daddy put it up together. I said that I'm going to get her a new rug to go with it, but these rugs are $25.97, but they're kind of small. Her tent is pink with like white polka dots. I would love to get her like a little white area rug, but I got kids. Let's be realistic. Pink rug not gonna stay clean. Now Target has these for like 60 or 70 bucks, and they're a little bit bigger because McINTYRE them rug is from Target. Gorgeous rug is from Walmart, but Walmart is still a decent size rug, especially for 25. Hello mom in Walmart tonight. She said that I should go to Ross to find a rug. She got her rug out of Ross, so I'm gonna check out Ross tomorrow. Patch, Walmart also has these little fake flower assortment. It's glued down, so it's gonna stay in place. This is $24.97. Like, before I had a bunch of kids, I could put stuff like this in the bathroom, but now that I got kids, I would worry about one of them breaking this, just because they're kids and they're busy, and it's my half bath. Now, one of my Facebook friends did suggest floating shelves, like something like this, instead of a picture to go over the bathroom wall. She did it in her house, and then she put a couple plants on it, and it looks really good. She did 3 of them with a couple plants. Looks really, really good. And then she did an accent wall. This is cute. $7.97. I don't know where I would put that. Peaches, let's stay focused. The store closed in like 20 minutes. Peach Patch, I do like this mirror. This mirror is $90. I just want one with silver trimming though. But I like the little bolts on it. It looks like a door, kind of like if you was to put 2 of these next to each other, it would like a sliding door. I like that, but I want a silver frame. I used to have one of these on my center tables, years ago, and I bought it from Family Dollar for $5. This thing $19.98. Boy, has times changed. They have clocks, which I don't need. That's too small for me. I like bigger clocks, like something this big, but I don't want this either. I don't like it. I like them lamps though. They're $44. If they're in the right spot, $44.97. Comment down below if you think that's a good deal. Wow, Peach Patch, look, they got the tic-tac-toe. I went crazy about this, and I still haven't even opened it, about the tic-tac-toe game in Z Gallery that I purchased, and they have it here for $19.97. I can't remember. I think I paid $15 for mine, and I think mine look better than that. They have these little plants, $14.87. Oh, what is this, like a little vision board? You can hang up your photos, your memories. $24.78. Nothing I want. Need a big picture to put on my bathroom wall with some stuff to match, a towel. I do want a new rug for my living room. I know I'm gonna need something long. My couch is gray. This rug is gray with some like bluish green in it, and it's $169. I think I could find, that's the rug. Oh no, that's a different design. But I think I could find a better rug at Home Depot. I had a rug I bought from Sam's for $99, and then I threw it out because it got stained with juice a lot. Even though Daddy cleaned it, I just lie. I got a habit of just throwing stuff away. I just be like, I don't want this no more. I throw it away. Just how I just did baby car seat. I feel like it's too dirty. I'm tired of looking at it. I throw it away. It's a really, really bad habit, and I gotta stop doing that because it's like, girl, now you spending unnecessary money. I have this gray shaggy rug. But I don't want no gray shaggy rug. My actual couch is gray. It's just a plain gray couch. I'm looking at the bed, and don't ask me why, because we really don't need no new covers. But it's $32.96 for this twin size. I think this is a cute little design. I missed when Walmart was open 24/7, and you could just walk in Walmart in the middle of the night and window shop, or just buy shit that you know you don't need, and then the next day you be like, oh my God, why did I buy all that? And then you still don't feel like taking it back, so you keep it. New one I haven't seen before, this little cloudy one. I don't know, it like it could be for a boy or a girl. It looks unisex, full size. It looks like it's $36, $34, and $32. They got this black and gray as well. Peach Patch, here is the downstairs. Here's the bathroom stuff. I was just looking at this in the other Walmart. I was like, I could just get this towel. It's $9.97, and a mat. Let's see these mats, because I don't think I've seen these. I mean, it's okay with this towel. Oops. With this towel to go downstairs in my bathroom, just so I could have something in the bathroom tomorrow. There's nothing in there. Or if I should get the solid color one. Oh, I like this one.
Congratulations on your baby.
Oh, thank you. Awesome. Or if I should get this rug with this towel. I don't know if that match. That match, Peach Patch? Comment down below if y'all think that match. It look like it could kind of go. I like that one better. Even though this one got like the different colors, that one looks better to me. I'm gonna buy this tonight, and if I don't like it when I get home, I'll bring it back. So I grabbed 2 of the rugs and 1 of the mats. We're gonna see how I like it when I get home. For now, I think it looks nice. My kitchen, like dining area where my bathroom is near, is the peach theme, and it's like this color a little bit. So a tiny teeny bit accomplished right now. Peach Patch, Walmart closing in 10 minutes. I'm about to get us some milk because we don't got any. I know the kids gonna be eating cereal in the morning. And then what else I need to get? I'm gonna get some TV dinners too. So yeah, I feel like this thing been following me around the store. I cannot believe these things can drive by themselves, and it's like you better move out their way because they're not gonna move out your way. Okay, Mr. Attitude, go. Dang. Look, keep stopping. I'm not in your way. You doing the most. Doing the most. Don't even like you clean nothing. They already got Space Jam bedding out. I'm about to buy this for my oldest son. My oldest son, he is so ready for Space Jam. He keep reminding me, it's July 16th. He would love this. I'm gonna buy this for him. I just ordered him some other comforters off of Amazon. I believe in buying a lot of comforters. I don't know if they got the sheets. Where are the sheets? Let me see if I can find the sheets. If they only have the comforters, that's weird. It's $29.98. It's just 1 pillow sham and 1 reversible comforter. I want to know, where are the sheets? They keep on talking about make your way down. Like, get y'all behind out our stove. I don't know if I want to buy the comforter without buying the sheets. Maybe the sheets not out yet. Like, they just haven't put them out yet. Oh, here we go. Space Jam sheets. The sheets are, what did it say, Minecraft. I don't know how much the Space Jam, because some of these are $29.98. I think he's going to be appreciative. One fitted sheet, one flat sheet, one pillowcase. I need to do Gorgeous room. Well, I say I don't need to, but I want to do her room over as well. But I think this time we're not going to do a theme. Like right now it's JoJo Siwa, like one of these kind of people. I think we're going to just do like a color scheme. Son was saying to make it easy on myself, I should just pick a character and be done. Just story about the clothes. So I'm about to head over here so we can get this milk and these TV dinners and be out. I still have to go shopping in the morning because I never made it to Sam's Club today. It was storming. I was home editing and I just didn't feel like leaving until Daddy came back home. He was like, come on, let's go. We got to get the shirts. We got to do blah, blah, blah. Then we left. But earlier I was just like comfortable. I can't believe Walmart actually still has patriotic stuff left. Most of the time it's already gone by then. Walmart is fully stocked, baby. Tomorrow I still need the ingredients for homemade macaroni and cheese. Baked beans we got baked beans, but I told Daddy I'm not using my baked beans for no barbecue. We're gonna go buy a new big thing of baked beans. So we gotta get baked beans. We gotta get, what else? Trying to think. Some drinks, some utensils. And I think that's about it. We got the meat, we got the coal. My mama said she bringing a thing of chicken and yellow rice that she making at home. So then she gonna cook the rest of the food at my house. Never had a juice I like, so we're gonna just get the fruit punch. I'm gonna buy two of these. I'm hoping my oldest son like this comforter set. He's really into anime, so he just ordered some kind of anime comforter set from Amazon. It still hasn't came yet, but he just keep on going on and on about Space Jam. I gotta get the milk. I'm gonna get 2 things of milk. Our milk is, this location is just $2.98. I done told y'all before, depending on what location you go to, our prices differ. Let's put it right here. I didn't get a lot of stuff. I don't think this will be over $150, or at least not over $160. I'm gonna get eggs so I can make the kids breakfast because we're out of eggs. But I'm gonna wait until I go to Sam's tomorrow and just get that big old 7.5 dozen box. Kids gonna have to just eat cereal in the morning. I'm gonna buy some more French toast cereal because they ate them all, and Cinnamon Toast Crunch, they ate them all. So I'll get 2 boxes of those as well, and then we're gonna get some TV dinners and be gone because this lady just keep coming on the mic saying, attention Walmart customer. I do read my comments. One of my subscribers say, Peaches, you can get a big bag of Cinnamon Toast Crunch for $4. Well, this bag is $5.98 for this big bag. I don't know, I guess I'll buy it. $5.98. They also got the Captain Cruncher berries. I hope my kids don't have these all over my floor. Having me catch a case, $4.92. We'll get that too. And then I want the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the French toast. My kids like them and I like them. It's so freaking good. I gotta get me some Cocoa Rice Krispies because they ain't had none at the other Walmart last time. These are $3.64. And then where are the Cinnamon Toast Crunch? French Toast Crunch. Them things is the bomb diggity. I helped them eat them 2 boxes. They don't like they got none. They got the regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch at this location, but I don't see the cinnamon. Oh, here it goes, right here in my face. I don't see it. They only got a couple boxes left, 4 boxes. We'll just get 2. These things are so good. Peach Patch. I remember eating these as a kid. I didn't even know they still made them until Gorgeous and McKay was talking about them and had me buy them again. These things the bomb. I think I probably should have got 3 gallons of milk because I think I'm about to go home and eat me 2 bowls of cereal right now, how I'm feeling and thinking about them. But I don't want our refrigerator to be so full of stuff, especially when I know we got to put meat in there and all that stuff. So I'm going to wait. And I know my kids will run through this milk, and the next time I'll buy 3 gallons. Now I'm going to get them some little 99-cent banquets that they could munch on until I actually go grocery shopping. Patch for the banquets, they're $1 here. They got the Salisbury steak meals. It's Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, apples, and corn. We're gonna get 6 of these. That's $6. chicken nuggets and macaroni one. Somebody opened that one. They don't got that many left. Choice and Gorgeous, the last couple we had left, Choice and Gorgeous ate them last night, and they was arguing over them. I was like, oh my God, I gotta go grocery shop for TV dinners. But they don't have that many. That's chicken strips. Is that macaroni? If it's macaroni, I'll buy it. Oh, here goes some more chicken nuggets and macaroni. So we'll grab these too. I'm gonna get these as well. The chicken strips, which I've never bought the chicken strip ones before. It's chicken strips, macaroni, and sweet corn. 6 of those. Special lady just came on saying they closed, but everybody's still in here shopping. Like, whatever, lady. Why want to make me a cheeseburger? I'm just hungry. I think I'm just starving. I just want everything. I'm gonna get McINTYRE some of these ice cream sandwiches while I'm in here. I'm gonna get 2 packs. These great value ice cream sandwiches are McINTYRE's favorite. All the kids like them, but McINTYRE will eat a whole box by himself. It's 12 in here. They're $2.50, and I will say they are delicious. They're so chocolatey. But y'all know what? Since we're gonna have company, I'm gonna get 3 in case he wanna share with company. It won't be nothing crazy going on. I'm gonna buy some hash browns. I'm just grabbing shit. I need to go. But with these hash browns, I had got Daddy to get me some one morning, and he got them, and he was just in love. Cook these in the air fryer. I'm hungry. I need to eat. I was doing good. I was like, I know I'm under 150. Now I'm like, ooh, I might be at like 215. This Walmart don't play. They actually closed those. They was about to close all these. The lady had to say, hey, don't close them. Don't close them. Child, when they say the store closed, you better bring your butt to the front. Each patch, so my total ended up being $229.06. I didn't put anything back. We're gonna see how I like these mirrors. They're $34 each. Next, we're gonna insert our card. No for cash back. These are my Navy Federal. Remove card. Approved. Y'all know I always gotta do that. It's gonna be my last time doing this. It's gonna be my last time saying I'm not using food stamps. At this point, if you don't believe me, oh well, but she's not using food stamps. So use my debit card. Plus, you can't get this on food stamps. You can't buy regular non-food items with food stamps. That's one of the things that people always want to say, oh, you eating good with my tax dollars. I used to get food stamps. I no longer get food stamps. My income is too much. Yes, I have 5 kids and I don't qualify for food stamps. And I'm okay with that. I'm happy that we're able to afford food still. I no longer get WIC either. Good night. Ooh, it is dark. It's 11 something.
Like you like, hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, 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 let's go. Like, 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 like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, 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 let's go. Like, 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 follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like, to the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like, US better like, UK hit her like, hit her like it like, hit her like, for your girl. Take it back to the like, from the left to the right, go like, Scotland better like, hit her like, go left to the right, go like, Africa go like, worldwide go like, I hope y'all like this sound. Yep, that's right, hit her like you like, for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.